John Nicholas writes, how much more maintenance does IDF add? What kind of failures is this unit having? For someone like me who keeps these boats for a long time, this sounds like a concern. Right now, IDF failures are fractions of a percent. The first year there were teething issues. First year of most everything has teething issues. That's just, I don't care if it's a cell phone. I don't care if it's a pickup truck. First year of everything has teething issues. It's just the way it was. They had to find out where a lot of the failure points were, a lot of the pinch points, and they made upgrades and improvements. I think they changed 6 out of the 9 components halfway through the first production year. Right now, IDF changes or IDF failures are very, very low. Same goes for the same thing goes for anyone concerned about carbon seal. Carbon seal had a rough few years when they changed all production down to Mexico, and that was only because of product suppliers. All these skis are built by suppliers, and sometimes the supplier is out of state or 2 countries over or across the Atlantic or whatever. And they were having a really tough time with carbon seal. And then there were motor mount alignment issues, and all that stuff pretty much got shook out by 2021-22. Carbon seal failures almost completely vanished. And the people who are sadly experiencing carbon seal failures, if they're not models from those years, you're going to see a lot of people who also just so happen to be beaching their skis, shallow starting their skis, heavily jumping their skis, and all the wonderful behaviors that jet skiers do that injure a carbon seal. I am not wholly blaming user error on this one, but 80% of the time with recent carbon seal failures, it's been shown to be sand impregnation, misalignment because a motor mount has broken because they're jumping it. There's been a few things, and unfortunately, I get a glimpse at a lot of those service records, and it is a lot of user error. I don't believe the Facebook posts as much as I do the actual service records. Is that mean? I don't know. Is that heartless? I guess. I'm just a terrible, mean old ginger, I guess. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.